Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you the simplest way to make crisscross top from sketch or from scratch. So this is a very unique tutorial. You'll see why as you go on. So first thing first, we're just going to detach the band of the sketch. This we don't need, so I'm just going to remove it because it has a elastic band there, so we don't need the elastic band. So next I'm going to remove the hemming because it's not needed to. I just want everything to be like as if I'm doing it from scratch. So I'm removing the hemmings of the skirt now. Next is to fold it in two to give exact measurements. I don't want one to be bigger than the other, so make sure you place it equally and then cut in two. Now we are getting to the unique part of today's tutorial. So you're just going to carry your tape and then measure it like this so that you know how much of the length of each part you need. So just place it like this and then use it to sew the excess out and cut. That way it fits properly. Next I'm just going to fold the raw edges. I'm not going to top stitch it after folding because I don't want any kind of seam. I'll just stitch it around to give it a good presentation. This is it. So there's no hemming thread or anything like that. You can decide to also use your hemming gun, but I decided not to. There's no need. This is a simple beginner's tutorial, so there's no point. So the next is to crisscross like this. So ordinarily you can't sew it like this. It's not going to be very possible, so you need to actually test it on your body and then sew or mark out where you're going to sew the part. So I'm just going to show you how I did that. So for clarity, I decided to just show you how I did it. I just place it crisscross on my body. If you have a dummy, you can actually use a dummy for this, but I rather use my own self to do this for perfect fitting. So just crisscross it and then use a pin to hold the part you are going to stop stitch. I use safety pin because I don't want any kind of incident, so that way it's easier for me to pull off and then sew top stitch. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just using safety pin to hold all the sides that I plan to stop stitch after I remove it. There are other ways I did this though. I also did another technique which you still see. I use needle and thread to do it directly instead of removing it to stop stitch. So there are many ways to do it. Just watch. So this is me showing you all the places I marked out to sew after I remove it. So this is the second technique. You can just decide straight on, no stress, just use your needle and thread to tack all the places that needs to be tacked. So this way by the time you remove it, your top is ready already. So it's like I said, it's beginner friendly. You can do this by yourself even if you don't have sewing machine. So it's Christmas coming in just a few days. I'm wishing you guys a merry Christmas, and I think this will make a very perfect Christmas top, something to go out with. So this is where I tacked after I removed. So the top is very much ready. This is the back part. So the middle of the back part, I just decided to sew it down just to put extra support. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below before you leave, because I would like to hear from you guys. And then if you have any challenge, leave me a comment. I'm going to reply. So this is the back part. Thanks so much. Bye for now.